In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company wiki in Notion with this simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing and sharing information within your company, and creating a wiki can be incredibly helpful for efficient team collaboration and knowledge management. So let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to build your own company wiki. We'll start by creating the main workspace page in Notion. This is essentially the front page or the landing point where all the information will be connected. Think of it as the home for your company's knowledge base. Begin by opening Notion and creating a new page. It's crucial to give this page a descriptive title that represents its function. Something like Company Wiki would be perfect. As the main hub for your company's information, this page should be designed to be both functional and easy to navigate. Consider adding a brief introduction or welcome message that explains the purpose of the wiki. Next, let's add sub-pages that will serve as a foundation for categorizing information. These should include important areas like company policies, team overviews, and frequently asked questions, FAQs. The aim is to structure your wiki so that information is easy to find. For each subpage, create a new page within your main workspace and name it accordingly, like Company Policies for policies, Teams for team-related info, and FAQs for common questions. This hierarchical structure ensures that team members can quickly locate the information they need without getting lost in unnecessary details. Now, to enhance navigation within your wiki, we'll make use of databases. Databases in Notion offer a flexible and dynamic way to manage data. They can be particularly useful for keeping track of company documents or managing a list of ongoing projects. To create a database, select the Add a Block option and choose the type of database that fits your needs, whether it's a simple table, board, or gallery view. As information grows, these databases will serve as a backbone, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Remember, you can interlink these databases to your sub-pages, allowing for seamless navigation throughout your entire wiki. Finally, it's time to share this valuable resource with your entire team. Notion makes sharing easy. Simply find the Share button located in the upper right corner of your page. You'll be given options to copy a sharing link or invite team members directly via email. It's important to adjust the permissions to fit your team's needs. Decide whether they can only view, comment, or also edit the pages. Ensuring your team members have access to the wiki allows for collaborative input and ensures everyone stays informed and aligned. And that's it. By creating a centralized company wiki in Notion, you can facilitate better communication and foster a more organized working environment. Not only will this save time and reduce confusion, but it will also encourage a culture of sharing and collaboration within your company. Thank you for watching, and happy Notion wiki building.